Hello and Assalamualaikum Metaverse Millionaires. This is Zindagi Sultan and I bring videos related to Metaverse, Metaverse tutorials, crypto Metaverse, and NFTs, Web 3.0, and all the latest technical stuff. So I hope you don't miss the chance to learn valuable things and to make your life valuable as well. Today's topic is how to make an account on Kucoin or Kucoin, how to get registered, how to verify yourself, and a few beneficial things I will also discuss. People are quickly shifting their assets to Kucoin because Kucoin is giving so many new features like robot features. You can trade on Kucoin with just $1. Imagine. So there are so many features. We will talk about their features list obviously later, but today's video topic is how to make account on Kucoin, how to get registered and stuff like that. So let's start without any further delay. First of all, get registered at Kucoin with the link in the description. This registration will give you 500 USD registration bonus. Then select your country. Your code will automatically be selected. Then click on send code. Once you get the code, add your phone number, confirm that code, and you are done. After that, set your login password. This will complete step 1. Then select security from the drop down menu and set your trading password because at Kucoin you need to give that password as well if you wanna trade or buy sell coins. Before setting trading password, they will again ask you confirmation code, so don't worry about that. Click on send code. Code will be automatically arrived at your phone. Put that code and confirm that code. At Kucoin, there are so many rewards and features, etc. We will talk later because today is just registration and verifying process. These days security at exchanges, particularly KYC, is a major process and sometimes too difficult if verification gets stuck due to any reason. So let's click on KYC. KYC means face recognition. They can ask you anything, upload a selfie or anything. You also have to upload some documents during this process. Let's see what documents they are asking for. They are asking for passport, but the passport is expired, so let's try with ID card. I have tried with ID card and my ID card is not smart, so I don't think my verification will be approved, but let's see. Now at the next step they ask me to upload a selfie with my signatures. I have to write today's date and a code they provided me, so let's see. I have uploaded my selfie. Now they will confirm that registration and verification within 7 days. Let's see. I will update you later. If you are new to Kucoin, don't forget to check beginner's guide. It will definitely help you with your questions. My verification process completed in less than 24 hours and I got verified status at Kucoin. I discovered that accidentally while trying to install Kucoin app, and that was a big pleasant surprise. I highly recommend you to get registered on Kucoin. Also, they are offering Blocktopia free airdrop. You can also participate in that airdrop. Participation detailed video also in the description. I hope you like this video. Join our Facebook page so that we all can share and benefit each other. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.